Greetings and welcome back to World AI News. Have you ever pondered a world where distinguishing reality from the artificial becomes increasingly challenging? Well, today we're delving into precisely that topic, AI and cloning. With the rapid advancements in deep learning technologies, we've witnessed the emergence of interactive deepfake applications, voice conversion tools, and virtual actors. These innovations allow for the digital replication of not just a person's appearance, but also their mannerisms and behavior. However, what risks and challenges does this pose? Moreover, why are there conspiracy theories circulating, linking famous figures like Jamie Foxx, Eminem, and Paul McCartney to the concept of cloning? Join us as we explore these intriguing developments in the captivating world of AI and cloning. A decade ago, the popular sci-fi horror series Black Mirror explored the eerie experience of a woman attempting to clone her deceased ex-boyfriend. Her method involved using a service that meticulously analyzed his social media posts and texts to recreate his personality. At the time in 2013, this concept felt like a far-fetched fantasy, but with the digital age already generating extensive data through our smartphones and computers, it's now a tangible reality. AI clones, as they are known, strive to replicate human cognitive processes, decision-making capabilities, and even personality traits using artificial intelligence. This notion has evolved over decades, progressing from basic chatbots capable of handling straightforward queries to AI entities displaying strikingly human-like behavior and reasoning. Consider the startup Delphi. For example, they offer the ability to create AI chatbots that emulate your personality, writing style, or even your speech patterns. How did they achieve this? By leveraging the data you provide, such as emails, transcripts, blog posts, YouTube videos, and more. Not interested in cloning yourself digitally? Delphi's capabilities extend to other individuals as well. The company currently doesn't impose restrictions on users wishing to create clones of anyone, living or deceased, without their consent. Whether you want to resurrect communication with an ex or replicate the persona of someone like Steve Jobs or Elon Musk, you can do so by sourcing data from the public internet, such as interviews and news outlets or YouTube videos. Delphi has even produced an AI clone of the legendary investor Warren Buffett for its internal use. Another notable example is Synthesia, a startup that's garnered significant attention. They enable users to build their own avatar by replicating their voice and physical appearance. The results are impressive. Not only can this digital replica conduct interviews, but it can also pass a bank's biometric authentication test. Impressive? Absolutely. Concerning? Certainly, but more on that later on. So far, we've discussed digital cloning, but there's another type of cloning, the real one, which is also linked to the rise of AI. In 1996, a groundbreaking cloning experiment was conducted on a sheep named Dolly, leading to the birth of the first mammal without the union of an egg and sperm. Dolly was created by fusing a cell nucleus with an enucleated egg in a laboratory, resulting in an individual with identical nuclear heritage to an existing one. Dolly's successful birth marked a significant scientific achievement and paved the way for creating transgenic animals with unique characteristics. This technology even has the potential to aid in the conservation of endangered species. However, the idea of applying this technology to the human genome has sparked concerns among the general public. As AI cloning gains prominence, the conspiracy theories have emerged. As outlandish as it may seem, there's a rising notion that some of our most famous celebrities have been replaced by mentally altered clones, a theory that has gained traction across the internet in recent years and become an openly discussed conspiracy. In August, Oscar-winning actor Jamie Foxx released a video statement to address rumors, including the unfounded idea that he had been cloned. These rumors gained traction when he appeared thinner, a result of his battle with a severe illness, which became a topic of discussion among TikTok users. Foxx clarified, "I went through a challenging period, and my road to recovery had its share of obstacles, but I'm making a comeback." Similar accusations of being replaced by clones have targeted celebrities like Gucci Mane, Eminem, Zac Efron, Justin Timberlake, Britney Spears, and Avril Lavigne in various social media posts. Lavigne, for instance, was rumored to have died in a 2003 car accident and was allegedly replaced by a body double named Melissa Vandella. The notion of a clandestine organization substituting our beloved actors and artists with controllable doubles or wealthy celebrities secretly preserving themselves through human cloning programs might seem like the plot of a Black Mirror episode. But whenever a celebrity temporarily disappears from the public eye and then reappears with a changed appearance, it becomes a fertile ground for conspiracy theories centered on human cloning. In a world saturated with fan culture and unending celebrity-driven advertising, the famous often reach a level of iconic status that blurs their humanity in the public eye, making it challenging for some to accept that their appearance can naturally evolve over time. Why then is contemporary popular culture so captivated by the notion of a world filled with celebrity clones? According to Brandon Cronenberg, director of Infinity Pool, this fixation could be partially attributed to the impact of social media. He notes that in today's world, people invest a significant amount of time crafting an idealized, fictional version of themselves for public consumption. Individuals frequently record multiple facets of their lives, presenting these curated, perfected selves to the world. In an era marked by global economic challenges, many yearn for alternative lives and experiences. This is where the magic and dream logic of human cloning conspiracy theories can serve as a form of escapism, offering a brief respite from the harsh realities of the world. The connection between these conspiracy theories and AI cloning is intriguing. China has developed an innovative AI-driven cloning process for pigs, which led to the birth of healthy piglets in March 2022 without human intervention. This technology not only has the potential to address China's pork supply issues, but also holds significant implications for the future of agribusiness. While this technique is still in its developmental stages, once perfected, it is expected to bring about a major technological breakthrough. Researchers have also made progress in generating human clone embryos in the laboratory, although no successful births have occurred as of yet. These advancements raise essential questions about the ethical and moral boundaries researchers are willing to cross. For instance, in 2018 in China, the method previously used for Dolly, the EU, was employed to give birth to 2 primates. Given the genetic similarities between humans and primates, these technological advancements have spurred extensive debates and triggered legal, ethical, and moral concerns. These developments have, in part, fueled the conspiracy theories surrounding the cloning of famous celebrities. Coming back to the ethical implications of AI cloning, as we were discussing at the start of the video, the development of AI clones involves a complex set of ethical considerations. In recent instances, AI cloning tools have been employed for nefarious purposes. For example, fabricated videos created using AI cloning were used to portray fake support for Burkina Faso's new military dictatorship and to generate deceptive content promoting certain agendas such as pro-China campaigns or fake information about Venezuela's economic situation. The creation and deployment of AI clones, whether in text, voice, or image form, bring up significant issues regarding privacy, consent, and ethical use. Here are some critical points to reflect on. Misuse and deception. AI clones have the potential to be misused for fraudulent activities like impersonation, identity theft, or generating deceptive content that appears authentic. Deepfake technology has been notorious for creating convincingly fake videos and audio recordings of public figures for malicious purposes. Furthermore, voice clones have even been used to pass voice authentication procedures. The lack of restrictions on who can be cloned adds another layer of concern. Privacy concerns. One of the primary ethical concerns surrounding AI cloning is the invasion of personal privacy. These technologies often rely on extensive datasets of individuals' personal data, which can include their writings, voices, or images. Unauthorized collection and utilization of this data may result in severe violations of privacy rights. Responsibility and development. Ethical development of AI clones necessitates responsible practices in handling data, training models, and designing algorithms. Developers are tasked with actively identifying and mitigating biases, errors, and potential harm, all while striving to ensure that AI clones are harnessed for beneficial purposes. These concerns underscore the importance of ongoing discussions and the need for ethical guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI cloning technologies in society. To sum it up, AI technology is radically reshaping how we interact with the digital world, extending from text, voice, and image replication to the potential for creating lifelike movements and real clones. The evidence of AI cloning's real-world impact is substantial, exemplified by industry leader Synthesia, with over 15,000 businesses having generated more than 4.5 million videos through the platform. However, this transformative power of AI cloning carries a significant ethical responsibility. Privacy, consent, and transparency must be fundamental principles guiding the development and utilization of AI clones. As AI technology advances, interdisciplinary collaborations between developers, ethicists, psychologists, and domain experts will play a crucial role in ensuring that AI cloning adheres to ethical standards. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the future of cloning and the role of AI in shaping it. Please share your insights in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the bell notification. Thank you for joining us.